Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, nous allons parler du chapitre 8. Es-tu en forme? Vocabulaire 1. Le cours. So in this chapter, we're describing symptoms, giving advice, asking and telling how you feel, complaining about health and giving advice, and learning to sympathize with someone. So let's review some of the body parts. Alors, nous avons le doigt. Those are fingers. Le cou, which is our neck. L'épaule, which is our shoulder. Le poignet, which is our wrist. La main, which is our hand. And le bras, which is our arm. And that will take care of the top half. Next we have la jambe, which is our leg. Le genou, which is specifically our knee. Le pied, our foot. La cheville, which is our ankle. And le doigt de pied, which is our toes. Okay, moving on internally, we have le cerveau, which is our brain. Le muscle, which is the cognate, therefore it's the muscle. L'os, which is the bone. L'estomac, or we also call it le ventre, which is our stomach. The little red thing in the middle of our chest is, of course, le cœur. Et aussi, en rose, nous avons le poumon, the lung. Okay, le visage. Qu'est-ce que c'est le visage? Look at all the items it's pointing to. Alors, le visage is the face. So at the top, we've got le front, which is our forehead. Le sourcil, if you can tell, is the eyebrow. La joue, the cheeks, well, the cheek. La lèvre, which is the lips. And then l'œil is the eye. So a common error alert to look out for. The question qu'est-ce que tu as can be interpreted in different ways. The intonation and context may be the only way you can tell whether someone is asking whether someone has any of it, or if they're asking, what's wrong. So a few more things describing maladies or things that are wrong. Notice in this case we've got a bandage around the wrist. Se fouler le poignet, to sprain the wrist. Or we've got a cast around the ankle. Se casser le pied, you broke your foot. Alright, two more. We've got this lovely lady who is sneezing. Alors, elle éternue. And then in this case, il a de la fièvre. He has a fever. Okay, some other words that we need to make sure we are aware of. Prendre la température. Avoir la grippe. La grippe is the flu. Tousser is to cough. And se blesser, to hurt yourself. Se brûler, to burn yourself. D'être fatigué, to be tired. And some people we may need to see is le dentiste et le médecin. Et enfin, one other body part that was not discussed, le dos, your back. So that should give us a pretty good list as far as describing our body parts. So the second part of this lesson is to be able to ask and tell how you feel. So again, that phrase, qu'est-ce que tu as? What's wrong? What's going on with you? Or similarly, qu'est-ce qu'il y a? The next one, ça n'a pas l'air d'aller. You don't seem to be doing well. Or tu n'as pas bonne mine aujourd'hui. You don't look so good today. Ou peut-être que tu as mauvaise mine. You look bad. Ou enfin, tu as l'air fatigué. You seem tired. Alright, now being able to describe yourself. Je ne me sens pas bien. I don't feel well. Or straight up just, je me sens mal. I feel sick. Alternatively, non, je ne suis pas en forme. Not really in good shape. So I said en forme is to be in shape or to be in good fitness. Alors, je crois que je suis malade. Malade, we already know, means to be sick. And finally, something that might quite not be right with you, even if you're not physically sick. You might tell someone, j'ai mal dormi. I didn't really sleep well. I slept bad. So that can drain you as well, even though there's nothing physically wrong with you. So just in case you are curious, a little bit of slang. Un guible is your leg. Un panard, your foot. Le bide is your tummy. Un pif is your nose. And finally, to ramasser une gamelle, to fall flat on your head. Well, that is all for today. So if you have questions, jot them down. If you need to replay the video to get the last of the notes, and we will be ready to discuss this at the beginning of next class. Bonne nuit tout le monde.